Monoclonal antibodies were discovered in 1974. I got an idea that instead of licensing antibodies, we should be developing new antibodies in our own facility. In 2013, we started NeoBiotechnologies. We want to make what we really believe market needs. In the last 10-11 years, we have collected close to 20,000 monoclonal antibodies. NeoBiotechnologies is different than many other antibody companies out there. We are the people developing products from scratch.
All of our products are pre-manufactured, stored, and tested on site. They're also QC'd here.
You can use our antibodies for developing kits, diagnostic tests, or whatever you want to do. We have 100 units of each product available at all times. All orders are shipped the same day.
I'll be eagerly waiting for all the orders every day morning, and very excited to see the new orders and processing, which make my boss feel proud and myself feel proud.
We have a very rigorous testing process here at NeoBiotechnologies.
Every antibody which is purified is tested on SDS PAGE gels, making sure that the antibody is intact and it is pure.
We test over 50,000 antibodies each year. We are going through an IHC process for each of those. We go through a Western blot, SDS PAGE, and a HuProt protein array analysis, testing the antibody for monospecificity on over 21,000 full-length proteins.
All of these clones go through a preliminary ELISA testing. All of this testing is done in our labs, and from the 20 which we find, we will find about 3 or 4 showing the expected reaction on human formalin-fixed paraffin-embedded tissues.
We whittle that down to about 500, coming to a 99% rejection rate.
All of our products are developed, tested, QC'd in-house.
All of the testing images that you see on our data sheets or websites are things that we've developed in our own labs. And with that, we stand behind our products 100%.
NeoBiotechnologies is developing close to 500 new antibodies every year, and these antibodies are marketed for cancer research purposes. Antibodies for immunohistochemistry, which are tested on extensive normal as well as tumor tissues. All the antibodies which are good for immunohistochemistry, we will take them and test them on tissue arrays. On these arrays, there are 76 normal tissues, and the reactivities are compared with the mRNA expression data, making sure that the antibody is showing the expected reactions on the normal tissues are tested on tens of thousands of tumor tissues.
NeoBiotechnologies is more than just a working place.
Everyone is great. Our boss is very cool, always reachable. You can just directly approach him and he will listen to you. It's amazing to work here. I am very happy that I'm the part of NeoBiotechnology.
Scientific rigor is at the forefront of everything we do. We have a really excellent team here. Everybody is super passionate about the work that they do and are excited to make a significant impact in cancer research.